for, God forbid, if I get it. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about preventative measures and also effective ways of eradicating lice. I have a relative that is very close to me that when she went to school, there was an pandemica of lice, very serious lice infestation that happened to many of the girls in her school. One of the ways that they treated it, at least that I support, because some of them we are doing extreme things like mixing kerosene with camphor to get rid of the lice. It does work, but it's not the healthiest, especially for your eyes, because if it gets into your eyes, that can cause issues for you. So the healthy way the rest of the population was taking care of the infestation was with oil and camphor. And another alternative for camphor is menthol, because I do not know if camphor is available to everyone that might be watching this video, but if it's not, you can use menthol as well. So it's basically taking an oil, mixing 50% camphor or menthol into the oil, applying it to the hair, leaving the mixture in your hair overnight, washing it out with medicated, that is mentholated shampoo, then applying conditioner, remove the conditioner, go in with a fine tooth comb to comb out the nits. I think the comb is also called the nit comb. The rat tail comb is also called the nit comb. Go in with that to comb out all the nits, then repeat this treatment like 3 times in a week. If your lice is severe, my relative told me that she had to do hers once. Everything was killed. Some girls had to do theirs twice, but one that had a really bad infestation had to do hers 3 times before that went away. And I asked ChatGPT the best way to get rid of lice, especially with long hair, and this is what ChatGPT said.
Dealing with head lice can be stressful and frustrating, especially when over-the-counter chemical treatments cause irritation or don't fully work. Fortunately, nature provides powerful alternatives. Neem oil and peppermint essential oil are two natural remedies known for their insecticidal and soothing properties. When combined, they create an effective, safe, and affordable solution to eradicate lice naturally. Neem oil contains azadirachtin, a natural insecticidal compound that disrupts the growth and reproduction of lice. Its strong smell repels lice and makes it difficult for them to survive on the scalp.
Neem also soothes scalp irritation and promotes healthier hair and scalp conditions. Peppermint oil has a cooling effect on the scalp, reducing itching and irritation caused by lice bites. Its strong menthol aroma suffocates and repels lice, making it harder for them to cling to hair strands. Peppermint also promotes scalp circulation, supporting overall scalp health. To make a neem and peppermint lice treatment, mix 3 tablespoons of pure neem oil with 5 drops of peppermint essential oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil as a carrier. Apply the blend to dry hair, focusing on the scalp and roots. Massage into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover hair with a shower cap and leave for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for stronger results. Comb through with a fine-tooth lice comb to remove dead lice and eggs. Then rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Repeat the treatment 2 to 3 times a week until lice are gone. For best results, wash bedding, clothes, and combs in hot water after treatment. You can also add a few drops of peppermint essential oil to your shampoo for lice prevention. Combining neem oil treatments with consistent combing ensures maximum effectiveness. Neem oil and peppermint essential oil are a natural powerhouse against lice together. They not only kill lice but also soothe scalp irritation, leaving your hair healthier and refreshed. If you're looking for a safe, natural, and effective solution to get rid of head lice, this remedy may be your answer.
Another way that I discovered to eradicate the lice effectively is by using neem and peppermint essential oil. Now, neem in Nigeria is called dogoyaro, and it is an anti-parasitic. It really does help to kill parasites. This is something that everybody knows about, or at least most people over here know about. And I have seen people use it to kill pests in their plants, gardens, farms, and the rest of them. So it's basically getting neem oil, mixing it with peppermint oil, and repeating those same treatments that the girls in my cousin's school did. Do that and use a knit comb to make sure that there are no knits in your hair, because if you kill the adults and you leave the knits behind, and maybe if some of them are still alive, the problem can still come back. So that's it. I've never had lice before, and if peradventure infiltration like that happens to me, I am very confident in all the findings that I have done. And it also gives me confidence that someone very close to me has actually tried this thing and it worked for her. So I'm confident in these treatments, and I'm also going to be using it as preventative measures. My aloe vera oil is going to be finishing soon, and I use that as a hot oil treatment. My next oil mixture that I'm making for my hot oil treatment is going to include black cumin seed, neem oil, peppermint oil, rosemary essential oil, pumpkin seed oil, like a host of mini goodies in the oils. And the neem oil is going to be present as a preventative measure. So if you like this video, if you're struggling with lice and you try this treatment and it works for you, please tag me. Comment down below. Let me know if it works, because again, the more I hear about it, the more anecdotal evidence that I see gives me confidence. And like I said, if you're interested in seeing more content like this, consider subscribing, turning on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Love you and choose.